Oh yeah, YouTube, I got a new solo stove. Just arrived yesterday. Gonna open her up and maybe do a video tonight here at the tiny house. Backyard here somewhere. Over here. Okay, so we're gonna get the solo campfire going. Check it out. Oh yeah. First you put in your fire starter and then you put in some kindling. You only need about 4 pieces of kindling, honey.
It's fine, I want there to be coals.
Right there, honey, beside the chair. You better get your wood out then too.
You need to let it smolder for a minute.
Now he's starting the solo camp stove. Look at that. That's cool.
Yeah, there's smoke in the beginning until.
Yeah, they say there's smoke in the very
when
beginning.
I looked it up, there's smoke until it builds up.
Until
and you
it
put
builds
wood on
up.
it. Like, did you put a log on it?
Not yet.
Put a fire starter on it. Oh, we're a little
Yeah.
close here. It's gonna get hot.
No, we're supposed to be this close. From when I looked up, it doesn't. It's very upwards heat.
I
not a
don't
lot
want
of
to. I don't want to
sideways
get
heat.
hot though. Look at that puppy, and
Where'd
that
you
was
get that
quick.
smaller wood?
I bought it at the Giant.
Some nice smaller pieces going first.
That looked real quick.
Yeah. Move that chair back a little. You don't want to. I don't think I'd spray that around a fire.
Yeah, this one's right on the ground. I know you did, but.
Okay, we got a fire.
Let it burn off a little bit, then I'll put the logs on. You want there to be coals first.
Yes, you're right. That's what they say in the video. Okay, guys. Teddy's checking it out. Teddy's on film. Look at that
This is like
flame.
a firefight.
Holy crap.
Should we get like something just in case it gets out of control?
There's a bucket and a shed.
I
grab
have
it, put
fire
water in
stop.
it.
I'll go get my fire stop. Oh yeah, the solo stove has 4 pieces of wood on it now. We've graduated from tinder to wood. Let me get a shot inside. Look at that thing. Boy, she's burning. She's burning hot. She's hot. Yeah, we figured we'd start her up a little early because we want some s'mores. Look at that beautiful flame. We did good. We did good.
Have you seen this?
S'mores table is set up with all our goodies, and we've already partaken of several s'mores with dark chocolate and milk chocolate. And Ted is just waiting for something to drop. You can't have chocolate. Oh yeah, baby. That's the new solo Bonfire 2.0 with the stand so that we can be in the grass. No worries of it catching on fire. Oh yeah. Chilling like a villain. That was good. Mm-mm. Can't believe there's no smoke at all. There you have it.